Hello, my name is Chelsea from Chelsea's Beauty Boutique, and I'm going to attempt to do some eyebrow mapping today to better shape my eyebrows. I haven't plucked, tweezed, shaved my eyebrows in a couple weeks, so I'm going to use a spoolie and a white pencil brush, along with a razor and some scissors. I have stopped using tweezers, and so we will see how it goes. Although I don't know what I'm doing, so far I think it looks really good. I just need to clean it up around the edges. I'm going to go in with my spoolie and push all the hairs up, and I'm going to start trimming all the really long hairs. I have really long bushy eyebrows. Well, I try to make it so they're not bushy, but my eyebrows do grow really fast. Towards the arch, I'm going to start pushing the hairs down, and you can see a little bit of the outline. Now I'm going to clean up around the edges using a face razor. I have been going to an electrolysis, and they've been saying stop using tweezers, and oh my gosh, I love tweezers. I love plucking. I would pluck 3 or 4 times a day. Yeah, I think I have an addiction with my tweezers, so I'm not allowed to touch them, and instead I just have to do my best and use a razor. Hopefully I don't shave off too much. But less is always more, so if you don't know, take a step back and check. So now I'm going to go in and clean up using a Q-tip and some makeup remover. I just want to see what the shape looks like and see how well I did. I noticed I missed a couple spots. I'm going to go in with the face razor and just clean up real quick. Overall, I really liked the outcome and how this turned out. Yes, I do wish I would have been able to use tweezers. Tweezers do a more cleaner look, I think, and it's a bit more precise, but the before and after is just absolutely amazing. If you want to see more videos like this, like and subscribe to my page. Smile for approval.